dark. I wanted to get started that process. So this is very informative. Michael, the presenter, is amazing, right? So we believe that we have a good idea of what the roadmap should be for us going forward.
The session that I really liked today was the technical session, the upgrade session to Microsoft Dynamics 365, because we are Dynamics customers. We are a pharmaceutical company. I'm really grateful to be here today, and thanks to Avantiico for organizing this.
Getting to know the ins and outs of the Microsoft roadmap, particularly when it has to do with the data management in the cloud and how customers can take advantage of a lot of the tools that are becoming available in the market, as well as feature sets, and how to promote programming changes and maintain that. Was very informative.